Megan Potter, and I'm going to show you my favorite Shakeology recipe. I've tried all the Shakeology flavors except vanilla. They just came out with them. Well, I have tried vanilla. They just came out with it. I haven't bought a bag of it yet and tried it for a full month, but it's good, and I'm excited to order it. But this is my favorite so far of all the flavors. They're all very good. I really like chocolate, so I'm going to make you my favorite Shakeology recipe. First, I start with almond milk. I like vanilla or chocolate flavor. I put in a cup of that into my blender. This is my Vitamix blender, which I love. If you don't have Vitamix, that's okay. Next, I put in some bananas. I have frozen bananas that I have pre-frozen here. I always keep frozen bananas in my freezer for this. Then I put in peanut butter, natural peanut butter. I have it in a Tupperware here because I have already, or I made it myself in this Vitamix from fresh roasted peanuts. So about a tablespoon of peanut butter. Usually I use peanut butter 2, PB2, which is a powdered peanut butter that has a lot less fat in it. And then I just put a scoop of Shakeology chocolate. They also have vegan chocolate, but this is just the regular chocolate. They do taste a little different, but I really like the regular chocolate. And ice. Lots of ice. I usually put about 3 handfuls of ice. The more ice, the better. You don't have to have a Vitamix to do this. I got through my first 60-day challenge of Beachbody doing Insanity and Shakeology without a Vitamix. You don't need to have it. And this was my reward for, after being a coach for so long and earning enough money, this was my first big goal that I got. So, then you just mix it up. It's going to be loud here for a second. All done. I always have to lick that. Can't waste it. And then, it's a little thick. I did put a lot of ice in today, so I have to help myself scoop it out here. And this is it. Just like a Wendy's Frosty, except way healthier. And I use this big cup because I make a lot of it. Well, I don't make, this is a regular recipe, but I usually add a lot of stuff to it, so I have to have lots of room. And that's it. Drink it with a straw, drink it however you like. There's a million different ways to make it, and I cannot bear to make it any other way than this for now, until I get vanilla. And I try the new green berry. I haven't tried the new green berry yet. And that's it. That's my favorite chocolate Shakeology recipe, peanut butter chocolate.